Welcome in, Dark Hearts. I'm Wolfie.
And Mooney, and this is your Nerd Network News.
Today we have some updates on the mysterious Dragon Ball Daima series, which is set to release later today. Almost the entire cast, including Mr. Satan, Boo, and Roshi, have all been turned into their childhood forms and will be entering the demon realm in order to get changed back. Daima has officially been canonized in the series as taking place immediately after the Boo saga, but before the events of Dragon Ball Super.
It was Akira Toriyama's last work, becoming majorly involved creating the story, world, characters, the mechs, and everything in between. In Toriyama's words, he says, "I hope you all enjoy these different from usual battles that are cute and powerful. I gotta say, the thing I'm looking most forward to is seeing Goku fight with his power pole. We haven't seen him do that since OG Dragon Ball."
Well, and technically GT.
But GT isn't canon, nor was it worked on by Akira Toriyama at all.
But he must have enjoyed the idea of GT to create his own story that follows such a similar route.
I wonder if they're visiting the Sandland universe, because that was known as the Demon Realm.
Sandland also just got its own anime and updated game release, so it would make sense to develop that project a bit more, or to combine the two worlds.
Dragon Ball Daima premieres today on Crunchyroll, an original Japanese dub. Netflix is also picking it up on the 18th, and we're going to look forward to the first 3 episodes of the English dub, premiering in US theaters November 10th through the 12th.
And following the theatrical release, Mall of America is going to be the very first stop on the Dragon Ball Daima North American tour. The event includes interactive exhibits, you can meet your favorite characters, though they have not announced any voice actors appearing, so it might just be mascot costumes. If you're interested in pulling out your Dragon Ball cosplay or buying some exclusive merch, that event is going on the weekend of November 22nd. And until next time, Dark Hearts, good luck defeating the mighty Vegeta Uzuru in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. NNN would like to thank our listeners for tuning in.
And our radio sponsor, 88.1 FM, KVSC, your sound alternative. And Woodforia, DJs, photography, and more. You can get a quote for your special event at MinnesotaProDJ.com.
Make sure you like and subscribe to DarkHeart_Studios on YouTube, hit that bell, and follow our socials for full video versions of NNN, interviews, and live events coverage.
Thank you for tuning in, Dark Hearts. This is Mooney.
And Wolfie, signing off.